I got into building PCs when I was a kid. I moved on to building gaming PCs from watching YouTube videos and seeing other creators make cool custom computers. So
metallic in the paint.
Always liked how their products look, how they're designed. I like the fundamental basics of what their product is. It was cool to like watch the process and then be involved in all the steps in, you know, learning to film and learning how to use certain machinery and doing custom work to getting to making PCs professionally for a living. My name is Tristin and I build PCs for the Designs by IFR YouTube channel.